Hey guys, it's me, Steph, the Colorful Metalsmith, and I'm excited to share with you my new goodies from Greenlion Studios. Did I need a new saw frame? No, but you can never have too many saw frames. I now have all three of their saw frames. I think I got the original, the OG saw frame about 10 years ago. And today I'm unboxing the big belly saw frame, the V3 big belly saw frame with the purple handle. I also purchased a Intentions t-shirt and some saw blade soap to compare it to some of the other saw blade lubricants that I use, like the Burlife or Pepe Lube. I just want to see, what else is out there, or like beeswax, compared to the other ones that I use. Yeah, I'm really excited for this new saw frame because I love sawing, and you could never have too many saw frames. I love having a variety of saw frames for different depths, and yeah, I love testing out new tools as well. So the big belly saw frame has a throat that is 5.5 inches deep, and it weighs about 7.3 ounces. All of their saw frames are made from 11 gauge steel, and this one has the purple plastic, has like a silicone type feel, so it's really nice and soft handle to it, and it has the Greenlion symbol embossed into the handle, which is really nice. This is the Greenlion soap that I was mentioning earlier. I also purchased the brass coin thumb screws. I purchased these for my other two saw frames, and I really love these. I think they're beautiful. They add a nice vintage flair to the saw frame, and it's like a nice personal touch. It has the Greenlion symbol on the coin, and I just think it's just really nice. Makes the saw frame a little extra. And then I just hold on to the thumb screws in case I lose the brass ones for some reason. I'm gonna do my best not to lose them, but you never know. So the other thing that I love about Greenlion is I think I ordered my package on August 9th, and I received it about 2 days later. So I know that they're based in Michigan and I live in Chicago, so they were really quick. It was a really quick turnaround, and I think that's just awesome. I was not expecting to get my product that quickly, and I got all these stickers and this cute little Greenlion pin with the pieces that I ordered, and I'm just so happy that I can't wait to put these stickers on my toolbox and wear my little green lion pin. It's just, yeah, just made my day. Just good little reminders with these stickers. And yeah, the two stickers underneath the saw frame match the t-shirt that I got. So I also, the last time I purchased the mini saw frame, I got one of their soldering wands in hot pink, though that one was a special edition. So I'm really hoping I don't lose it, because I'm having so much fun soldering with it and pretending that I am a soldering wizard. So yeah, I've been having fun soldering now. Or, I mean, I always have fun soldering, but I'm having like extra fun soldering. So, all right. So, I've talked about the big belly. So to compare the big belly to the OG is also made from the 11 gauge steel, and it's going to be a little bit smaller. It's 4.31 inches deep, and that one weighs 7 ounces, so it's a little bit lighter. I mean, these are all pretty light saw frames, and I think I got the OG about 10 years ago, so I have the black handle. And then I recently got the V3 mini saw frame, which, oh my gosh, this has been so much fun using. It's so cute and so tiny small. It is 3.125 inches deep and weighs 5 ounces, and again it has the Greenlion symbol embossed into the handle. Yeah, so I've been using the mini one a lot lately for my like intricate designs. I haven't gotten to use the big belly one yet because I just bought it, but I'm really excited. I know, you know, Greenlion saw frames are all good, so I'm really, really excited to start using the Greenlion's big belly saw frame. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you in finding your saw frame. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see y'all later. Keep on smithing and stay rad. Okay, bye-bye.